So guys, this is graphicart.com. You have to come on this website. This is the officially website of graphicart. You can see here the search key. You just click on this and then you have to type your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this all result you can hear, otherwise you go to product and then click to title of Z890. After that click to support. Then you can guys see here there are two operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so if you are using separate, otherwise you can select all. Okay, so I am Windows 11. Okay, so select operating system Windows 11. On Windows 10 also same installations process. Okay, this is your audio driver. Okay, DTS. Okay, just click to download. Wait few seconds, it will start automatically. You can see here, otherwise it completed showing here. Just single click to open. This is your DSC setups and just double click to open and then give to access. You click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. This is installed by the cmd command and wait few seconds, it will complete. So finally this is installed and then close it. Chipset. So guys, lot of driver it is showing here, so I recommend install first one. Okay, click to download. It will start for the downloading. You can see here. When it is completed, single click to open and double click. Then click to yes for administrator rights. Now this is extract driver to install. So finally guys, this is install and then close it. LAN driver. You can see this is LAN driver and click to download. It will start downloading. It will show and so just single click to open. Just double click to setup. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting driver. Now this is installing by the command. So it is completed. After that close it. Then VGA driver. Just click to download. You can see here this is size. So it is completed. Just single click to icon and setup to double click. Now this is extracting to copying to your system to extract file. After that click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing graphic card driver. You can see here. So guys, finally this is installed. After that close it. Then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. So first Wi-Fi driver and click to download. This is latest version. Then single click to open the setup and double click. Then click to yes. Now this is installing Wi-Fi Intel Wi-Fi driver. Then install YCMD command. Wait few seconds to show here. This is installing. After that show again Wi-Fi driver. Now this is closed, so that means this is installed. Now this is Bluetooth driver, so click to download, and this is latest version, you can see here. Okay, try to latest. If you facing some issue, then install to older or try to older version. Okay, so now Bluetooth driver, this is installing. See here in the download. It is completed. After just single click to open to extract file. When it is completed, the Bluetooth driver, just single click to icon and double click to setup, then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now you can see the Intel Bluetooth driver. Wait few seconds to complete. Now this is finally completed. Then guys, restart your system. Thank you.